Hi, welcome back to John's Random Reviews Makita Hoover review part 2. But hang on a minute, I've had some complaints about this. It isn't a Makita Hoover, it's a Makita vacuum. I'm so used to saying it's a Hoover. It's not, it's a vacuum cleaner. So how's it been performing? That's what you need to ask. And I've got one person asking about the water sucking feature in it, which we're going to get into it in a minute. Well, it's been okay. The only thing that I don't like about it is when you're sucking up a load of concrete dust, what happens is the filter gets clogged quite easily. So then it loses power and you have to clean the filter out. Now I'll show you how I do that. A little tip for you there. So apart from that, it's a fantastic bit of kit, but what's the point of having number 1 and number 2? Number 1's crap, number 2's good. So I never ever have it on number 1. Why would you have it on low power when you can have it on badass power? Anyway, that's a little thing. So, in regards to the filter getting blocked up, let's get into it. This is the filter. So, you can see it all gets blocked up with loads of fine dust. Now then, what I normally do is knock it out like that inside of a skip or something, or a bin. But what happened the other week is I knocked it out and I knocked one of the little tabs off it, and I had to super glue that bad boy back on. So that pissed me off. I thought, oh, there's got to be a better way, and there is. So what we do is we put that back on, if I can get it on the right way. So fasten it up and we take the hose off, and then we swap it round to blow. This is the blow side of it. So get that onto blow, and then we'll get this on, and then we can blow the filter out. So there we go. That way you can get all the hose cleaned off, and then we can clean all that off. There we go, get all the filter cleaned off. That gives it a really good clean off. So there we go, that's a good way to clean it off. So there we go. And then you can give the hose a bit of a clean out. Oh hell, still more. Wait! Right, so that's that bit done. Now then, regarding sucking water up, this is a wet and dry Hoover. So
Vacuum.
What?
It's a wet and dry vacuum.
Yes, this is a wet and dry vacuum. So if you've got a bit of water, I've already said to a couple of people who watch my videos, this is brilliant for sucking out a washing machine that's gone dodgy, or a dishwasher that's the pump's gone, and you just got to get in there and suck a little bit of water out. But what if you had to suck a load of water up? And what stops the water going into the motor? So I've been asked this question. The water level, it gets into here, that got sucked into here, and it rises and rises and rises and gets to this level here where the motor is. So what happens is, if you forget about it getting full and you leave it, is it going to knacker it? But we're going to try it. So we've got a bucket of water down here. So there's more water capacity in there than there is in here. So I don't want to knack a machine up, but we've got to know. We've got to know what's going to happen if we fill this reservoir full of water and we forget about it, we don't turn it off. So here we go. There we go. So here we're going to put that in there, turn around, and start sucking it up. So we're going to get that. Right, what's happened is come in a little bit, it's got to the top and it's blowing it out of the extract. What's this? Hang on. There we go. Oh my god. That's probably not good, but I don't think it'll knacker it, but it's not a good way. But so there you go, my friend who's asked me. It should have a little float in there really, but I couldn't find one online to stop that doing that. So, but what have I done to hack it to make it better? Come this way, come on, let's get involved. Right, what I've done is I put a 15mm tank connector on the side of it, and then I've put a cap end. So if this reservoir gets really full or starts to get full, I can put a little hose pipe on that bad boy. So I can suck and suck and suck, and then just stand back a little bit and we'll get this pulled off. So there we go. I can empty it into a hose pipe and away. So I could suck loads and loads of water out, wouldn't go into the motor, and there we go, a little hack for your Makita Hoover. So there we go. Put that back on. So I hope that's been a help. Oh no, we've had a bit of a laugh. So there we go. I hope you watch this. Right, anyway, okay. Right, thank you for watching this Makita vacuum cleaner part 2. Okay, random is rad. Rock on.